Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you a simple and quick way to convert Word documents to PDF. Whether you need to share a document securely, preserve formatting, or simply want to ensure compatibility across different devices, converting your Word files to PDF can be incredibly useful. So, without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Open Microsoft Word. The first step in converting a Word document to PDF is, of course, having the document open in Microsoft Word. If you haven't already, go ahead and open the Word file you want to convert. Step 2. Check document formatting. Before we proceed with the conversion, it's crucial to ensure that the document is formatted correctly. Double-check for any issues such as missing fonts, misplaced images, or text alignment problems. This is especially important if you plan to distribute the PDF to others. Step 3. Save as PDF. Once your document is ready, click on the File menu in the top left corner of Word. From the drop-down menu, select Save As or Save as a .pdf, depending on your version of Word. Step 4. Choose PDF location. After selecting the Save As option, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose the location where you want to save the PDF file. Browse to your preferred folder, give the file a name, and select the file type as PDF. Step 5. Save the PDF file. Once you have selected your preferred options, click on the Save button. Microsoft Word will now convert your document into a PDF file and save it in the location you specified. Step 6. Verify the PDF. Congratulations! You've successfully converted your Word document to a PDF file. To ensure that everything looks as expected, open the PDF using a PDF viewer and verify the formatting and content. And there you have it. Converting Word documents to PDF is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few simple steps. It's an essential skill for anyone dealing with documents regularly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.